So how can you search for specific emails on your iPhone? Let's get started. So at first, we need to know which mail client we use, but let's say that most people use the built-in mail app from Apple. If you go in there, you can click on your inboxes, and when you swipe down slightly, the search bar appears. And what you can of course do is to type in a particular keyword and search for stuff like that, right? So that's kind of how it works. But essentially, what you also have at the bottom is a filtering button. So you can click on that, and you can also filter it by addresses like that. So you can also do that and also enable the only from VIP attachments and mail sent today, flagged and unread. And you can also just search for different things. So you can type in, as you are inside of the search field, you can type in a particular keyword, as I said, but also a name of the person that you want to find the messages from. Also, it can contain something inside of the text, or the attachment name might contain something. But to be honest, personally, I do not like the way how you can search for emails and specific emails inside of the Blue Mail app from Apple. What I prefer much better is the approach of the Gmail app from Google. So if you have that, then just check it out and open it up. And if not, I invite you to at least take a look at it to see if you wouldn't like it that way. Because inside of the Gmail, if you type on the search, you can filter it by the label, choose a particular person it could be from or sent to, depending on the mail type, and also so many different things and filters, right? So you can tap on the date and set up a custom range from the calendar view to filter the exact date of that message, or you can also include or exclude the calendar events, manage or filter if it's read or not, if it includes attachment, and also which kind. So you can very specifically find something using these tools compared to what we have available inside of the email client from Apple. So just a thought right there. If you prefer a better search capabilities, explore some third-party mail clients. So that's it. That's all I wanted to show you in this video. Let me know below in the comments what you think about it. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.